Now to matters financing, where the Equity Bank is counting on a 6-pillar plan to grow its customer base and deepen intra-African trade. The bank says it is going to invest close to 700 billion shillings in agriculture, trade, small businesses, technology, manufacturing and social environmental transformation. Equity Group Chief Executive Dr. James Mwangi says the investment will help create 50 million jobs directly and indirectly.
The bank says the plan, dubbed African Recovery and Resilience Plan, will help create linkages by mapping agricultural ecosystems and value chains by financing agriculture players. The plan will further seek to empower subsistence farmers to cultivate commercially viable foods. The bank will work with players in both the public and the private sectors to tackle agricultural challenges in a holistic manner. The 6-pillar plan also targets to boost intra-regional trade by collaborating with freight forwarders for ease of storage and movement of large amounts of goods from one African country to another. Once implemented, the plan will help create 25 million direct jobs and 25 million indirect jobs. Equity Group Chief Executive James Mwangi further says the strategy will help create linkages between countries, coordinating trade and financing suppliers, which will help create a favorable environment for manufacturing to thrive.
We can handle maybe 20 systemic issues of the world if we chose to. And if we changed 20 major issues that trouble the world, I believe the world will have been changed, because the principle of the 80-20 rules still applies. It's not how many things you do, it's how you prioritize and do the most important and significant ones that makes the 80% of the difference.
The bank, through its Equity Leaders program, has commissioned the airlift of 73 students who will be joining 48 global universities through scholarships under the Leadership Development Pillar. Reporting for Prime Edition, I am Teresa Mutai.